Hi guys, this is Mia from MiMo Design Laser Files, and today I'll show you how to assemble this Cupid & Company special delivery basket. The files for this comes in 4 different types of thickness. It comes in 1/8 inch, 4mm, 5mm and 1/4 inch. This version is 4mm poplar plywood. You can use any type of material, also acrylic, that's totally up to you. So this version I also have a Valentine's Day Love Express version, but this is the Cupid one and it comes with the front. I already pre-attached these using Scotch tape. It comes with this ring, and when you add this you could choose to engrave the middle or center, or you could add some these, either Cupid or the hearts that comes with it. You can keep it generic or you can add a name to it. Also it comes with these covers for the tabs on the sides, and you will need 4 of these to cover both the back and the front. But let's show you how to assemble. So the Valentine's boxes all comes with a front, a back, the bottom, 2 sides and the handle. And it also comes with 2 types of inlays. You can choose between this grid inlay, I'll show you how to use it in a bit, or this one with a round hole finish. To assemble, it's really easy. I am going to reuse my box, so I will not glue it down, but I'll show you how you do it. So I use Wienerwheel, which is just really common wood glue. So you place a stripe of wood glue or whatever glue you're using to the tabs here, and you do the same on the basket tabs on the back side. Once you have those glued, you just snap them to the ends here, like this. Just take my front, and I do recommend that you add the handle before attaching the back or front side, like this. Then you flip it over, and you can either take your front or your back, doesn't matter, and you snap the sides on to the tabs. And if you had used glue, it would of course be a little easier. So flip it over and attach the back like this. And these might be snug fits, but I do always recommend that you use the glue. But that's the box. So now you just add your layering, and as said, I do have glue tape on mine. So this one you want to align the 2 hearts to the shiplap line, and also you have this round scored marking to indicate where it goes. And maybe you did engrave something here. If you didn't, you could add a Cupid or one of your hearts. I'll just add Cupid again. And you have free placement for this one. And then you take your covers here and add them on top of your tabs. You of course want to use glue on the back of these. And if you had, I only made covers for the front. I could show you with the Valentine's Days covers. You then add these to the back, like this. And the box is done. So this is actually the first version of the box that you could do, but I use these add-ons as well. So the add-ons, or inlays, sorry, you can choose between the grid or this one with a hole. I do have more options. As example, this is my St. Patrick's Day box. This one is also for a can of beer or soda or whatever you want. But they all go together. I also have Easter, I have Mother's Day, and I'm working on a ton of other themes. But this one is for Valentines. And just loosen just a little bit back. Like that. So now that you have your box, you choose whatever inlay you want. There's this square piece. You add this to the right or the left side. It's entirely up to you which side you prefer to use, because these are reversible as well. So for the inlays, you also want to add a drop of glue on the tabs. You don't have to, but again, if you want it to be sturdy, you should. So add the inlay into the box, and this grid inlay is perfect for picked flowers. You can just push them down the hole like this. You could also go ahead and surprise a teacher and add some pencils to it, maybe even engrave the pencils, or you could use it for makeup brushes and fill all the holes. If you're doing the brushes, you could use the other space for makeup. If you're doing the pencils, you could use the other space for chocolate or some small gadgets, and the same the flowers. So that's the grids. Let's show you other inlay, which is this one with the hole. And since I didn't glue anything, it does loosen. So let's take the one with the hole and see if I can place it without the box falling apart. Like that. So now you could actually take a glass like this with the pencils, or you could take a metal can or something like that. You could use it with these brushes, but I'll take mine out. And you could now fill this glass or can with water, and you could actually fit in a little bouquet of flowers and add some chocolates or something on the side. Or you could take the flowers and the glass out, and you could add a soda or a beer or something like that. So it's a really versatile and multi-use box. If you like this video, please give it a like, please subscribe to my channel. The files for this one is available on my Etsy shop, MiMo Design Laser Files, and also our own website, allstarsdesign.com. The links are down below in the description, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please leave a comment about what you think about this project, and I hope to see you soon.